Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer drone footage from DJI Fly to DaVinci Resolve, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer drone footage from DJI Fly to DaVinci Resolve, start by connecting your drone to your computer. Use a USB cable to connect the drone or the SD card reader if you are using the card directly. Once connected, open File Explorer on your computer. Locate the drone under this PC or devices and drives. Open the drones folder to access your footage. Find the folder named DCIM, which contains your recorded files. Open the subfolder within DCIM that has the video files. Select the footage you want to transfer. Right-click on the selected files and choose Copy. Navigate to the folder on your computer where you want to store the footage. Right-click in the folder and select Paste to transfer the files. After the transfer is complete, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. In DaVinci Resolve, create a new project by clicking on New Project. Name your project and then click on Create. Once in the project, click on the Media tab at the bottom of the screen. On the left panel, find the File section. Click on the Add Folder option. Navigate to the folder where you saved your drone footage. Select the folder and click Open. Your footage will now appear in the media pool. From here, you can drag the video files into the timeline for editing. Remember to save your project regularly by clicking on File and then Save Project. Now you are ready to start editing your drone footage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.